A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's above my pay grade.
All right, folks, buckle up. Today's court hearing is absolutely wild. First up, we've got a sovereign citizen. Well, more like a sovereign clown, who seriously tries to argue that he's not a person, but an entity. Yeah, let that sink in. The judge's reaction? Absolutely priceless. You can almost see the disbelief on their face. Newsflash. Courts deal with real people, not imaginary legal loopholes. This guy's argument is a legal train wreck from start to finish. Let me know in the comments what you think of this circus. And if you're into bizarre courtroom moments like this, hit that like button and subscribe.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Lucas. Mr. Lucas, please place your full name on the record.
Nathan Daniel Lucas, a living man.
A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir. Not in the etymology of the courts and the syntax grammar. No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's above my pay grade. All right. So are you interested in a lawyer representing you, sir?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you interested in even getting a driver's license?
No, sir.
Are you interested in an offer at all?
No, sir.
Set the matter for trial.
Well, I intend to plead in the form of a demurrer, such that I do not acquiesce to quasi-jurisdiction.
Okay.
Because that issue is to be brought up in my pleadings and filed with a court.
I didn't see any pleadings filed with the court. Do we have anything?
I said that is an issue to be brought up, my pleadings to be briefed and filed with a court.
Well, you should have done that. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Hand it here. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, sir. Give you a $0 bond, and I'll set a trial date for November the 14th, 2024. Or if you want a pre-trial date to file some pleadings, I can set that for October 21st, 2024. Which one would you like?
You could repeat that, sir?
Pre-trial date, if you want to file some motions, pre-trial date will be October the 21st, 2024. Or
that will be fine.
Just set it that you want that date?
October 24th, 2024?
October 21st.
21st.
2024 at 8:30 a.m. All right?
Yes, sir. And just for the record, I did not enter in no plea. I don't plead.
All right. Well, I'm entering in for you. All right. Have a good day, sir. I'll see you back October 21st, 2024, God willing. All right.
Likewise.
I seriously love watching this judge. His sarcasm is next level. And honestly, it's the perfect way to handle these sovereign citizen clowns. You can literally see them start to unravel as he throws their nonsense right back at them. It's comedy gold. I'll be posting the second half of this guy's hearing tomorrow, so make sure to stay tuned. It gets even wilder. But for now, I've got another hearing lined up, and trust me, this one's even more ridiculous. We've got yet another sovereign citizen, and this dude is completely off his rocker. Let me know what you think in the comments, and let's dive right into this madness.
What's your name, sir?
I am Moore.
Moore?
Special representation. I'm asking you.
Your Honor, his name is Tyrese Breland.
Breland?
That's not my name.
Oh, Breland.
That's not my name. I am Moore. I'm here on special representation. I'm asking,
same as last defendant, Your Honor.
My Honor, I'm asking.
Okay.
What is your status and what is your name? I'd like to know your name. I'd like to know your status. Of everyone in the courtroom, I would like to know what is your nationality and what is your...
So, deputy.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know your nationality.
He has charges in jots and he has a paper charge. Let me see if they're the same warrant. And they're different warrant numbers. Okay. So I guess I do both sets. Let me see when these are.
Know your nationality. I would like to know if you're a U.S. citizen of the United States. And, so what is your, status? You a U.S. citizen of the United States?
All right, hold on one moment, sir. Let me review the warrant.
I'm asking you for your status and the status of everyone in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know the nationality. I would like to know, are you a U.S. citizen? Once again, my honor,
Is he deputy?
status
Say it
of
again, Your
everyone in the
Is
courtroom.
he injured? Is that why why is he in a wheelchair?
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know the status of everybody in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know your nationality. I would like to know are you a U.S. citizen?
Deputy, do you believe that this gentleman is mental health, or do you think it's just a sovereign citizen?
Can you provide me with the information?
Both.
I honestly can't tell if this guy is pretending to be mentally ill for the court or if he's genuinely just completely unhinged. Probably a bit of both, like the deputy said. I mean, what's his end game here? Calling himself more like that's going to magically confuse the judge into dropping the case? It's nonsense at this point. I really think judges should just shut these hearings down the moment this kind of clown show starts, or at the very least, hold him in contempt for clearly wasting everyone's time. This guy isn't making a legal argument. He's making a mockery of the whole system. What do you guys think? Should judges start cracking down harder on this sovereign citizen nonsense? Let's dive back in.
I think it's
Okay.
Can you provide me with the information?
All right, so I'm going to give you your charges.
Charges for what? Are you a U.S. citizen? Are you a U.S. citizen? My honor, are you a U.S. citizen?
Sir, be quiet.
Are you a U.S.
Yo.
citizen?
I said be
Stop.
quiet.
Are you
Be
a
quiet.
U.S. citizen? What is your name? What is your status? What is the status
Yo,
of everyone in the
chill.
courtroom? That's what I'm asking.
All right, so y'all just go ahead and take him back. I'm go ahead and put him on. Y'all take him.
Feet up.
Asking
Move your
for
feet.
the court to be a jurisdiction of the court.
You might want to chill out.
To be challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court because I am not who they say they are. I am challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
No.
Everything should be challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
Hey, let me get 2 for 12 seconds. The rest of
Let them know I am challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
After that last little stunt he pulled, I'm fully convinced. This guy is definitely mentally ill. I mean, we've all seen the usual sovereign citizens who pretend to be clueless and babble about made-up laws, but this dude, he's on a whole different level. It honestly felt like he was auditioning for a bad reality show. How do you even argue with someone who doesn't believe basic laws apply to them? Props to the judge, though. She had the patience of a saint. Most people would have slammed the gavel and shut it down by now, but she stayed calm the whole time. Honestly, I feel like these Zoom court hearings are a win for sovereign citizens. They just talk over the judge, rant about nonsense, and completely dodge the structure and formality of a real courtroom, where they might actually behave a little better. What really blows my mind is how they keep saying they don't consent to laws like that somehow makes them immune, as if telling a cop they don't accept a speeding ticket means it magically disappears. It's ridiculous. These fake legal theories have been debunked 1,000 times, and yet they keep doubling down like one day it'll actually work. Anyway, I'll wrap it up here. I'll be posting the second half of that first clip tomorrow, so stay tuned. Let me know in the comments. Do you think Zoom court makes things too easy for these guys? And are they playing crazy, or are they genuinely out of their minds? If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.